Listen up, folks. Today we're diving into something fundamental yet often overlooked. Trust is the bedrock of any strong relationship. It's the glue that holds everything together. Think of it like the foundation of a house. Without it, nothing else can stand firm. Without a solid foundation, the whole thing crumbles. The walls, the roof, everything falls apart. When you trust your partner, you feel secure, respected, and loved. It's a feeling of being home. But in today's world, trust can be fragile. It's like walking on a tightrope. Social media, while connecting us in amazing ways, can also create cracks in that foundation. It can be a double-edged sword. It's easy to get caught up in the highlight reels of others' lives and start comparing. Insecurities can creep in, and doubts can start to form. You might find yourself wondering who your partner is messaging on Instagram. Is it just a friend, or is there something more? Should you check their messages? Let's talk about it. Communication is key. Instead of snooping, have an open and honest conversation with your partner. Trust is built through transparency and understanding. Share your feelings and concerns. Listen to each other without judgment. Remember, trust is a two-way street. By fostering open communication and mutual respect, you can strengthen the foundation of your relationship. Trust isn't just given, it's earned and maintained through consistent actions and words. So let's build that strong foundation together. Trust each other, communicate openly, and cherish the bond you share. Because at the end of the day, a relationship built on trust is a relationship that can weather any storm. We've all been there. That little voice in your head whispers, just take a peek, it's for your own peace of mind. You start questioning your partner's every like and comment. Maybe you've noticed a change in their behavior. They're glued to their phone, being secretive, or seem distant. These are valid concerns, but snooping on their Instagram is not the answer. Before you go down that road, remember this. Trust is built on honesty and respect. Invading someone's privacy is a surefire way to destroy that trust. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. You want to know how to access those Instagram messages. There are ways, of course. You could try to guess their password, use spy apps, or even access their saved passwords. But hold on a minute. Before I tell you how to do these things, I need you to understand something crucial. These methods are not only unethical, but can also be illegal. Remember what I said about trust? Reading your partner's Instagram messages without their consent is a betrayal of that trust. It's like sneaking into their private diary. Let's start with the most basic method, password guessing. This involves trying different combinations of words and numbers that your partner might use. Maybe their password is your anniversary date or your pet's name. But let's be real, folks. Most people are smarter than that. They use strong, unique passwords for a reason to protect their privacy. Guessing their password is a gamble you shouldn't take. Even if you succeed, you've already crossed a line. You've shown them that you don't trust them enough to respect their boundaries. Section 5. Spy apps lurking in the shadows. In today's digital age, technology has made it easier than ever to keep tabs on someone without their knowledge. Now let's talk about spy apps. These seemingly innocuous applications can be downloaded and installed on a smartphone in a matter of minutes. These apps run in the background of your partner's phone, secretly recording their every move. They operate silently, without any visible signs, making them almost impossible to detect. They can track their location, calls, messages, and even their browsing history. Imagine having access to every text message, every call log, and every place they visit, and yes, even their Instagram activity. You can see who they follow, what they like, and who they interact with. Sounds creepy, right? That's because it is. Using a spy app is like hiring a private investigator to follow your partner around. It's a digital form of stalking, and it's just as invasive. It's an invasion of their privacy and a sign of a deeply unhealthy relationship. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, and using spy apps completely erodes that trust. Plus, many of these apps are scams. They lure you in with promises of complete surveillance, but often come with hidden dangers. They promise you the world, but deliver nothing but malware and empty promises. Your phone could end up compromised, your personal data stolen, and your peace of mind shattered. Don't fall for it. Instead, focus on building trust and communication in your relationships. It's the only way to truly know and understand your partner. Section 6. Saved passwords. A breach of digital boundaries. Finally, there's the option of accessing your partner's saved passwords. Maybe they've saved their Instagram login information on their phone or computer. You might think, well, it's right there. It's not like I'm hacking into anything. But here's the thing, accessing someone's saved passwords without their permission is still a violation of their trust. It's like going through their wallet while they're in the shower. Just because you have access doesn't mean you have the right to snoop. Section 7, the fallout consequences of broken trust. Let me be clear, invading your partner's privacy will have consequences. If they find out, it will be incredibly difficult to rebuild that trust. They might feel betrayed, angry, and hurt. Your relationship could be damaged beyond repair, and for what? To satisfy your curiosity? To catch them in a lie? Is it worth risking everything? Instead of resorting to these underhanded tactics, focus on building a healthy, trusting relationship. Section 8. Building bridges, communication and healthy relationships. If you're feeling insecure or suspicious, the best thing you can do is talk to your partner. Open and honest communication is the key to resolving conflicts and strengthening your bond. Sit down with them and express your concerns calmly and respectfully. Listen to their side of the story without judgment. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Work together to find solutions that work for both of you. If you're struggling to communicate effectively, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. Section 9. Seeking help. Resources for relationship challenges. Relationships are a journey, and like any journey, they come with their own set of challenges and obstacles. Relationships can be tough, folks. It's completely normal to face ups and downs, and sometimes those downs can feel overwhelming. And sometimes we need a little help navigating the rough patches. Seeking help is not a sign of failure, but a step towards growth and understanding. If you're facing challenges in your relationship, don't hesitate to reach out for support. There are numerous avenues available to you. There are many resources available, such as couples therapy, support groups, and online forums. Each of these resources offers unique benefits and can provide the guidance you need. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you are committed to making your relationship work and are willing to put in the effort. Building a strong, healthy relationship takes effort, commitment, and above all, trust. Trust is the foundation upon which all successful relationships are built. Don't let social media come between you and the one you love. In today's digital age, it's easy to get distracted. Choose trust, choose communication, choose love, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more advice on relationships, life, and everything in between. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tips and strategies to nurture and grow your relationships. Remember, every relationship has its challenges, but with the right resources and a little effort, you can overcome them and build a lasting bond.